33% of your life is gone in terms of how much potential do you have to do things. And if you're working 8 hours a day, it's another 33% of your time. And if you're studying full-time, university, high school, whatever it may be, if you're raising children, it's beyond 1/3 of your day. That's another 1/3. All that's really left for everything else of your day and your entire life, essentially, is that last 1/3. And it seems like we have a lot of time, but we don't. It's not much time, because that includes the time that you're eating, 1 or 2 or 3 meals a day. That includes the time you're talking to people, it includes the time you're on social media. Especially if you're not conscious of the time that's passing by. It includes the time you're watching TV shows or entertainment. It includes the time you're going to the restroom, you're doing this, you're doing that, cooking and so on and so forth, transitioning between activities. We don't have that much time in this world. And we know the value of the time in this world, the opportunity in terms of what you have in this world, is simply to increase and maximize your sadaqah jariyah and your reward that's waiting for you in the next life. That's essentially what it is. وَلَا تَنْسَ نَصِيبَكَ مِنَ الدُّنْيَا. Do not forget your share of this world. Don't forget what you're required to do for your akhirah. Don't forget the acts of worship that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave you an opportunity to pursue. وَأَحْسِنْ كَمَا أَحْسَنَ اللَّهُ إِلَيْكَ. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala continues, and the reminder here is what? Be good in a way, ahsin, be good, excel, as Allah was good to you. Ahsin kama ahsan Allahu ilayk has 2 meanings at least. The first is that you are good in terms of fulfilling the commands of Allah as Allah was good to you. He created you. He gave you what you have. And the second is to use your blessings for the sake of Allah, including to help other people.